In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your product image quality in the quiz results page. Go to the Results section, find your product block, and under Recommended Product, open the Product Components Layout settings. Expand the Image Block settings, where you can adjust the picture size ratio. For example, keep it at medium or use the original ratio as uploaded to your Shopify store. A key option here is Optimize Image Size. If this box is checked, your images will be compressed and optimized for faster loading and better performance. If you uncheck it, the images will display at their full, original quality as uploaded to Shopify. Once you've made your changes, click Save in the top right corner, then preview your quiz to see how the product images will look on the results page. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.